Good morning everyone, today is June 4 and let's check the top gainers of the day, and the winner definitely is the alt USDT, which was the top loser of yesterday, which is crazy, right? So it's super volatile, this coin, and looking to the chart itself, the weekly chart is still for me kind of a strange chart, because I see that from this level this coin can drop from here, okay, all the way down to here, which is approximately 0.07031. This is a weekly level, okay. So if we go to the daily chart, let's just delete this one, you can see that the candles and the tails are crazy. Just look how big the tails are. This is like, if you're trading this, you should be very careful, otherwise you can be really losing lots of money or making it if you have any luck. But anyways, I see this going down, even though yesterday it went up, but the weekly pressure definitely is down. But the 4-hour chart, you can see that it spiked a lot and then slowly started losing momentum, which most probably is gonna start going down from here. But if I would be trading this one, it would be this level, and I'm pretty sure that I'm gonna trade this one. And from here you just can expect a 26% drop, which is crazy, at least from here. But if we are talking the big deal, so definitely it could be losing 50% this week if it goes like I see, at least, okay. So it's important to check it out. If you are longing this, be careful, because we have a huge selling pressure here, therefore good luck. Next one is about the TRB. So again, the TRB, what he is doing is the following. Yesterday was on the top gainers as well. Let's go to the weekly and see what the weekly has to say. So as you can see here, we got also an alert that yesterday we placed, okay. The weekly chart seems pretty straightforward, is trying to push it up, right? So the daily chart is also showing us that it can continue going up, but remember that Bitcoin is gonna go down. So are you gonna risk it? It's up to you, but definitely this can still move upwards. For the 4-hour chart, you see that the current candle isn't showing too much pressure up, but if I would be interested in trading this, I would be trading this as a short. So I would wait for 60 level from here to go to the 60, then after short it from here. That's important. So yeah, just be careful. If you want to buy this, just wait to this level 45 and put a buy order. But for me, it's less riskier, wait to reach 60. What can happen from here? It can go down or can go up. I'm not pretty sure which one is gonna be, but you have to be very careful on this. So the TRB already, it went down. Next is the USDT, which is doing a crazy movement. The weekly chart isn't really a big deal for us, because last week we had this candle down. It went to the demand zone, and from the demand zone is going up. So this week already it went up to pretty good, right? And what I would be expecting as a rally price rally to go up, it already happened yesterday and today. which is basically reaching this supply zone. As you can see, as soon as it touched, boom, down. As it touched today as well, boom, down. And this is 20%. Imagine, let's see, 6 hours ago, it was at least 60% up. So what I would be doing for this coin is just stay away, because it's just moving super fast, and if you are leveraging your trades, that could be deadly trade. The only thing I would be doing is just to wait to this level, and yeah, here I would be buying pretty hardly because my stop would be fixed at this price, and we have here a huge upward candle. In 2 hours it just grew like crazy, man. How much it was? 30% in 2 hours. That's a big deal. Okay, so be careful on this one. Next one is the anime USDT. Let's see what this coin is all about. So the monthly chart isn't telling anything. The weekly chart, at least, seems to be interesting, because for me the last week candle was closed down, which probably should have been dropping, but instead is going up. That's cool. Means that something interesting is going on with this token. Technically, there isn't much I can say. The only thing I see is that if anime is gonna go up, it has a green light to go all the way up to 0.044 is the level where it can reach on the daily basis. And in the 4-hour chart or 1-hour chart, I would be interested in buying here, because there is a bullish momentum here. It got all the stop huntings here, okay? Therefore, something like this can happen. And with a continuation, which is even better. Yeah, this is pretty much about the anime. Would I be buying here for a continuation? It's up to you. It's a bit risky. It can go up, but it's just about the fundamental news, whether you understand this coin or the founders of this coin, what they are going to be doing and how interesting could be buying at these levels. But for me, isn't too good to buy here, because I don't like buying at the top of anything or selling at the bottom of anything. So just consider that. And yeah, that's pretty much all for the top 4 of the day. So thanks a lot. Consider subscribing. If you have any questions regarding the charts, please drop a comment. I'll explain in detail what I meant if something is wrong. Okay? Thanks a lot. Bye.